Hi guys, in the last video we have discussed about some MongoDB basic functions. In this video we are going to see about comparison operators in MongoDB. So comparison operators are used to get the data we want from the database. So some of the comparison operators are in, not in, equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than and less than or equal to. So let's see the use of these operators with real-time example. So let's go to Flipkart website and I want to buy a shirt from Flipkart. So I will type shirts from search bar and click on search button. So after searching it, we are going to get some random shirts which are stored inside the Flipkart database. So I want to buy Alan Soli shirts. So after clicking Alan Soli, I am only going to retrieve Alan Soli shirts. But how it's displaying only Alan Soli shirts? It's because of the comparison operators. Specifically in this case, it is using equal to operator to retrieve the data only with the particular field that the user selected. So here I have selected Alan Soli. So it is only giving me the Alan Soli shots only. So let's see with let's create a database and insert some documents and then we can use that operators. So let's go to MongoDB Compass and click on connect. So I'm going to create a database by using this by clicking this plus icon. We can also create from terminal by simply typing mongo sh. So after typing this, we're getting this mongo shell. I want to create a database from here. So I want to name the database name as cloths and the collection name with shirts and then creating it. So after clicking it, it has successfully created. Let's use this cloths. No, I have already created some documents, so I'm going to import it. Let me import it. So these are the documents I have imported. Let's work with this data. So I want to get the only shirts with the brand Allen Soli. For that we have to use equal to operator. So let's use the database. What's the database name? It is cloths. So is cloths. So after that we can simply work with the all the collection which are inside this database. So I'm going to work with this collection called shirts. So db dot shirts dot and then I want to retrieve the Alan Soli shirts which comes under the brand category. So I have to use the field which is brand and inside this I have to use equal to operator. So all the operators will start with dollar sign and then the operator equal to. This is equal to operator. We have to use EQ and then we have to specify the brand we want. So I want to get Ellen Soli shirts. So I'm typing Ellen Soli. So after running this, we are only going to get Ellen Soli shirts. You can see we are only getting Ellen Soli shirts. So this is the example of equal to operator. So only if you want to retrieve all the documents, all the shirts with brand arrow and then super try, and you don't want to get Ellen Soli. So for that we have to use not equal to operator. db dot shirts dot find and then we have to use not equal to. So after running this, we are going to get all the shirts except Alan Soli shirts. Sorry, it's displaying error. So sorry, it should be any, not any queue. So after running this, we will only get the shots with arrow and super tray. You can see we are not getting Allen Solly shots. So this is the example of not equal to operator. Now let's see the in operator. So I want to get only Allen Solly and super tray. So you can see, suppose I want to get only Allen Solly and arrow shots. Arrow. I'm only getting Allen Solly, and then let me scroll down. Actually, Allen Solly shots are so many in the Flipkart database. That's why you can see here we are also getting arrow as well as Allen Solly. So in this case, it is using in operator. So after we are selecting Allen Solly and arrow, we are getting only Allen Solly and arrow shots. So let's work with our data using in operator. So I want to get all the Sopa dry shots and Allen Solly shots. So I have to use in operator. db dot and then collection name which is shots, and then find function. Inside this I am getting the shots using brand property, brand field. So I have to use brand, and then inside this you have to use in operator, and inside this we are using two data types. Like in this case it is two brands, Software and Allen Solly. So I have to use this in an array. This array you have to type Allen Solly and then second item which is Software. So after running this, we are only going to get Allen Solly and Software shots. You can see we are only getting Allen Solly and Software. We are not getting arrow shots. So let's see the greater than and less than operators. So I want to get all the shots which are below 1,000 rupees. For that I have to use less than operator. So db dot and then collection name which is shots and then find. So in this query we are getting the documents based on price field. So I have to use price, and then inside this we have to use less than which is short for LT, and then we have to specify the price here. So after running this we are only going to get the shots with less than 1,000 rupees. You can see we are only getting 700, 900, 700, 499, but we are not getting 3,000, 1,000 also, because we have only used less than. We are not using less than or equal to. If we use less than or equal to, we will get the shots with 1,000 rupees also. So now I want to retrieve the documents which are greater than or equal to 1,000, which is only the shot, the brand Sopa try. So let's use greater than or equal to operator. Greater than operator. For that we have to use db dot and then collection name which is shots, and then find. Inside this we are getting the documents using price field. So I have to use price, and inside this we are using the operator which is greater than, and then we have to specify the price here which is 1,000. So after running this we are only going to get shots with price greater than 1,000 rupees. So after running this we are only going to get one document which is super dry, because its price is 3,000 rupees. So now let's see less than or equal to. I want to get the documents which are less than 1000 rupees and also equal to 1000 rupees. So let's use db dot collection name which is shirts, and then find, and then we're going to get using price field. So price, sorry, price inside this we're going to use less than or equal to. Sorry, I'm making so many mistakes. Less than or equal to, we have to use 1000 price. So after running this, we are getting the shirts with 1000 rupees as well as below the 1000 rupees. So now I want to use greater than or equal to operator. I want to get all the shirts which are greater than 1000. Let's use db dot shirts dot find, and then price inside this we're going to use greater than or equal to 1000. So after running this, we are going to get all the shirts with price 1000 as well as greater than 1000. So these are the some comparison operators in MongoDB. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.